how to cook legit Clucky Souvlaki.
That'll make you Yiayia proud.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
There is nothing better than rotisserie chicken. It's one of our favorite cooking techniques. And Badger, what have you done here with the chicken?
So we got the boneless, skinless thighs, which in my opinion is the only cut to use.
And also our secret little weapon, we've got our Lane's Magic Dust. This is an absolute cracker on chicken, so I think we're sorted.
Little tip with these thighs, if you try and pierce them that way, they're going to be flaying all over the place. So we like to fold them in half, and then basically you've got a nice little package that'll just slide onto the skewer like so.
So by folding them in half, you get a nice shallow surface area, and therefore the heat penetration of the fire into the chicken is going to cook it faster.
So these prongs that you see are a fantastic little addition onto this skewer. They just hold everything in place like so.
Here's a good shanky tip. You've always got to balance anything you're cooking on that skewer. So hold it nice and flat, and you'll notice it always drops down. So that's the heavy end that drops to the bottom. So what I need to do is counteract that with a little weight that I've got here, and then to the opposite side, screw that on, and then let's have a look. It's not bad, it's turning nicely.
A little bit of slaw never hurt a souvlaki. So literally we like a little bit of red slaw, white slaw, few spring onions, and then some of the Lane's sort of white as our dressing. Nice and simple, super crunchy, super fresh. Will be so good with that chicken. Look at the color of that.
This is the exciting bit, look at that.
Mate, I just can't wait to make one of these souvs.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Yep.
We've got some pieces there. We've got the bread on. Mate, happy. How soft is that bread? That's perfect. Boom.
All right, we love to build these. Good smear of yogurt. That beautiful slaw that we had before, not too much. And then the star of the show. Oh my God, beautiful.
There you have it. If this doesn't look like legit Clucky Souvlaki, I don't know what does. Let's get into it. Let's have some.
All right. Yiayia. Yiayia.
Yeah, 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 yeah.